Question 51. What offence is committed when a person deceives another and dishonestly induces the person so deceived to deliver some property to any person? What punishment is prescribed under IPC for such offence and under what section? Deception followed by dishonest inducing of delivery of property. Deception followed by delivery of property. So what offence and under what section? Anyone? The two relevant sections are 415 and 420. That much is very clear. 415 says, whoever by deceiving any person fraudulently or dishonestly induces him to deliver any property to any person, and then there are other provisions. So as far as our question is concerned, we can limit ourselves up to the first line. Whoever by deceiving any person dishonestly induces him to deliver any property to any person. This is exactly what the question says. So 415 is squarely applicable and it should be accordingly punished, this being an offence of cheating. However, there is another provision. The punishment for this kind of cheating is of course imprisonment of up to 1 year. But then we have section 420 also, which says whoever cheats and thereby dishonestly induces the person deceived to deliver any property to any person. Now what are the ingredients here? Delivery of property is very much here. But what else? Cheating. And what is cheating? Cheating itself is deception followed by delivery of property. So 420 also squarely applies to a situation where there is deception and the deceived person is dishonestly induced to deliver a property. To the same fact situation, 415 will also apply. What does 415 require? It requires deception and thereafter delivery of property, dishonest delivery of property. Deception followed by delivery of property. What does 420 require as far as this aspect is concerned? There are other aspects also. So what it requires is cheating followed by delivery of property. But cheating itself is deception followed by delivery of property. So deception followed by delivery of property is covered by 415. It is also covered by 420. 415 has a punishment of imprisonment of up to 1 year. 420 prescribes a punishment of imprisonment of up to 7 years. So which one will be applicable? For 15 is also applicable, 420 is also applicable. Punishments are different. So which section should apply? That is, what punishment should be given? Any answer? Since there are two provisions applicable to this fact situation, one prescribing a lesser punishment, the other prescribing a higher punishment, we have to apply the rules of interpretation, the rules applicable to interpretation of statutes. It's a penal provision. IPC is a penal act. Yes, any answer? Whether 415 will apply or 420 will apply? Whether punishment of up to 1 year or punishment of up to 7 years? Smita gives the answer as 415 because the punishment is under 417, all right? Yes, I agree with you because it's a penal provision and penal provision has to be strictly applied. And in a penal provision, if there are two interpretations, then one which is favorable to the suffering person, that is the accused, will have to be applied. So I feel that 415 should be applicable, for which punishment is imprisonment of up to 1 year.